JDK and appearing a first line of the site is oracle.com and what's the operating system you are mostly used for your as usual your daily basis, so you where you are comfortable at all. So if you're using Linux, then you have to download the Linux version, or if you are using the Mac, then you have to download them for a Mac version, and if you're using the Windows, then download the 64-bit installer. So I'm going to download the 64-bit, which is the JDK 18 and here is the 17. So in my PC there is already installed a Java 17. So right now I'm going to install and download and install the JDK 18 in my PC. Okay, so it's very quick. So here is the jetbrain.com and you have to click in there, and after that we will take to the JetBrain website and just click in the download, and there is a API for the two part, that is one is unlimited. There we can use a lot of other features which are not but right now I'm going to downloading a community button, which is free for student or any kind of learning for a learning purpose. It's free. So I'm going to download the community version. So it will take some time. That depend upon your laptop or internet. Yes, mine is very good. It will take up to 1 to 2 minutes. So I will wait for that. At this moment I'm going to install a JDK. So here is a JDK. Windows installer prepare for the Java. So now you can see at the top of the bar of Java there is the Java, and the JDK is containing the 8 for the 64-bit, and click to the next, and put this file default. So click next. So it's depend on the PC or the desktop tab. This is already successfully installed in my PC. Just move to the Windows installation file, that is mining.c, and click in program file and find the Java. Where is the installer file? So after that I have already installed the JDK 17.0.2. So and another right now I have installed the JDK 18. So now I'm going to place this one in my PC. Right click on this PC and go to the properties. Scroll down and find the advanced system setting and click to there. So click in the environment variable and create your new file in a user variable, and click in new and place here is Java Java_1, and we have to place the path of the JDK in a variable value. So now move to our file where the JDK is installed. So I'm going to place my JDK 18 path in my user variable. So move to the JDK 18 and click in bin file and just copy the path, and you can move to the variable value and copy paste it and click on OK, and now our JDK environment has been set up in our desktop. And now I'm going to check the JDK version. What is the version of the Java? So yeah, my JDK is successfully installed. So intellij, so here is the intellij file, that is 2021 dot. Now just make the destination folder will be the default, so I'm not going to change it, and click on next, and the space update path variable is needed, so I'm going to take it and add the bin folder to the path, so which will be very good for us whether to add in our environment variable. So it's very simple while installing in the intellij, and at that time you're gonna add the bin folder to the path. It will be very much simple. Just click on the next. Okay, the intellij has set up installed. So this one I want to manually remove later. Finish it. Good. Now the intellij is installed. Let's see you in the next video.